Did you know that simple tasks like watching and liking YouTube videos can get you robbed online? Well, a Pune-based ophthalmologist was duped and I-rolled 24 lakhs INR in March-April 2022 for just liking certain YouTube videos. A group of cyber frauds tracked her into a scam by asking her to join a lucrative WFH offer where she just had to like their YouTube videos and then invest in their crypto scheme that promised attractive returns. The scammers initially earned her trust by paying her around 10k, but when she invested around 24 lakhs in their crypto scheme, they refused to pay the returns and even demanded another 30 lakhs. Cybercrimes are on the rise and there are many victims like her around. It is estimated that cyber frauds will cost individuals, business trillions of dollars in the coming year. Alarming rise in cybercrimes has led to a rising demand for cybersecurity professionals. DataSpace Academy offers job-ready cybersecurity programs that train aspiring cybersecurity professionals in the latest tools and technologies needed to protect organizations and individuals from cybercrime. Check the link in the description or call our academic counselor to learn more.